So recall that in Ontario, the sales tax called the HST is 13%. So if you had an example like this, that shoes were $34.25, it asks you how much tax would you pay. Remember, all that this is really asking you is it's asking you to figure out what 13% of 34.25 is. So remember, whenever we have a percent, we can turn it into a decimal by dividing by 100. Of means to multiply. And then we can just get our calculator and get the answer. And we may have to round, and we always round, obviously, to 2 decimal places because it's money. So in this case, it'll be $4.45. That will be the amount of tax that is paid for the shoes. The total amount then becomes $34.25 plus $4.45. Whoops. And we just add those together, and we get 38. My pen is having trouble. 70. So the total amount that she would pay would be $38.70. Now, depending on what the question asks, you can approach this in a different way if you would like. So if the question asks you for the tax and then the total amount, you have to do exactly what was just shown here. However, if the question just says, what's the total price? It doesn't say what's the tax and then what's the total price. It just says what's the total price. A faster way of getting that, so the price plus the tax, was really like 113% or 1.13. So to go directly to the final answer, if you multiply by 1.13, you will get directly to 38.70. So it's just a little trick of being able to go directly to the answer depending on what is being asked in the question.